Hello everyone, I'm Gayatri from First MSc Microbiology, Sacred College, Tirupattur. Let me discuss about a bacteria, Lactobacillus plantarum. General characteristics of Lactobacillus plantarum. Gram's classification, which is gram-positive bacteria. Shapes are round with rounded ends. Arrangements are straight rods and non-motile in nature. Capsule and endospores are absent in Lactobacillus plantarum and it is a facultative anaerobes. The optimum temperature of Lactobacillus plantarum is 37 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. The optimum pH is 5.5 to 6.5. The incubation period of Lactobacillus plantarum is 24 hours to 30 hours. Fermentation process in Lactobacillus plantarum. Ingredients, which is the substrate used to ferment the Lactobacillus plantarum. Preparation, inoculation, fermentation, microbial activity, monitoring, termination and consumption. Ingredients, substrate. This refers to the raw material undergoing fermentation. It could be vegetables, example like cabbage for sauerkraut, fruits and other plant materials. Lactobacillus plantarum culture. A starter culture containing Lactobacillus plantarum is added to the substrate to initiate the fermentation. Preparation, cleaning. All the equipment and utensils should be thoroughly cleaned and sanitized to prevent the growth of undesirable microorganisms. Chopping and shredding. The substrate is often chopped or shredded to increase the surface area of the microbial activity. Inoculation. Adding starter culture, the Lactobacillus plantarum culture is added to the substrate. This culture may be obtained from the previous batch of fermented food or form a commercial starter culture. Fermentation and anaerobic environment. Fermentation is typically carried out in an anaerobic environment, which means without the presence of oxygen. It can be achieved by using the fermentation crocks, jars with the airlock or other or airtight containers. Temperature control. Lactobacillus plantarum generally thrives at temperature between 20 degree to 30 degrees Celsius or 68 to 86 Fahrenheit. Maintaining an appropriate temperature is crucially for the success of fermentation process. Microbial activity. Lactic acid protection. Lactobacillus plantarum ferments sugars in substrate using lactic acid. This acidification is a natural preservative and contributes to the tanning flavor of the fermented product. pH drop. As lactic acid accumulates, the pH of fermentation environmental drops, creating an inhospitable environment for the spoilage of microorganisms. Monitoring. pH and acidity. Regular monitoring of pH levels and acidity helps to ensure the process of fermentation and the safety of the final product. Taste and texture. Sensory evaluation is an offer performed to determine when the fermented food has reached the desirable flavors and texture. Termination. Refrigeration. Once the desired fermentation level is reached, the product is typically moved to the cold storage, which is refrigeration, to slow down or the half the fermentation process. Consumption. Enjoying the product. The fermented product is ready to be consumed. It can be used as a condiment, side dish, or ingredient in various dishes. Benefits of Lactobacillus plantarum in probiotic properties in gut health. Lactobacillus plantarum is known to be a probiotic, which means it contributes to the balance of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This balance is crucial for the digestive health and overall well-being. Digestive health supports digestion. It helps in the fermentation of carbohydrates, producing lactic acid. This can aid in the digestion of food and the absorption of the nutrients in the intestines. Prevention of diarrhea. Lactobacillus plantarum has been studied for its potential to prevent and alleviate the various types of diarrhea, including antibiotic associated diarrhea. Immune system support. Enhance the immune system function in the presence of healthy gut bacteria, including Lactobacillus plantarum, its association with improved immune system function. A well-functioning gut can help the body resist infection and illnesses. Inflammation of regulation. Anti-inflammatory effects. Lactobacillus plantarum have been reported to have anti-inflammatory properties, potential helping to reduce inflammation in the gut and other parts of the body. Antioxidant property. Antioxidant activity. Lactobacillus plantarum has been found to be exhibit the antioxidant property which can help the combat oxidative stress in the body. Microscopic examination of Lactobacillus plantarum. Gram staining. Violet color gram positive bacteria. Form of rod shape. Motility test. Non-motile in nature. Isolation of Lactobacillus plantarum. nutrient agar, small to medium gray colonies. In Macanki agar, lactose fermenting colonies are observed with pink to dark pink, dry and donut shaped, surrounded by the dark pink area of precipitated bile salts. Blood agar, alpha hemolysis MRS medium with vancomycin of pH with 5.6, hemispherically round with white or yellow colonies. Biochemical test for Lactobacillus plantarum. Catalase test negative, oxidase test negative, urease negative, glucose fermentation test positive, indole test negative, methyl red test positive. August Pascal test negative, citrate utilization test positive, starch hydrolysis negative, casein hydrolysis positive, lactic acid fermentation test positive, carbohydrate fermentation test positive. Commercial importance of Lactobacillus plantarum, which are food fermentation industries, dairy industries, yogurt and dairy products, livestock and poultry feeds, biopreservatives, enzyme production, protection of bioactive components. Thank you. Thank you so much.